Welcome, you are wonderful people and my dear friends. Today we're going to learn the time management through a story. In a small village in ancient India, there lived a wise sage people came him to find solution to their problems. His name was Sinu, but the villagers respectfully called him Lord of Time. One day, a young man named Aryan approached Sinu in the distress. Lines of worry were clear visible on his face. Aryan took a deep breath and said, Master, my life is caught in strange confusion. No matter how hard I work, I feel that time slips through my hands. I neither time nor am I able to achieve anything. Sinu listened to him attentively and then said with a deep smile, Aryan, controlling time is a great secret, but its secret is hidden in a mysterious cave. Do you want to know it? A ray of hope appeared in Aryan's eyes. Yes, master, I want to know its secret. Sinu said, the path of cave is full of dangers and go to there you will have to face your greatest weakness. If you are ready to come here tomorrow before sunrise. The next day before sunrise, Aryan came prepared. Sinu gave him an old yellow piece of paper with a map of a cave on it. Along with the map was a warning. The mystery of time can only be understood by those who can conquer their fear and desire. Aryan started walking toward the cave as per the map. He faced many obstacles on the way, a dense forest, a fast-flowing river, and a desolate field. All were part of the journey to reach there. But the most difficult part of when he had to pass through the mysterious path. On the path, he faced a biggest weakness, his impatience and greed. When he reached the entrance of the cave, he heard a strange voice from inside. Are you ready to know the secret of time? If yes, then come inside and the cave. But remember, every moment there will test your patience and management. As soon as Aryan entered the cave, darkness surrounded him. But he moved forward. He saw a faint light. The light was aiming from the mysterious object, an ancient clock, which was slowly ticking. There was an inscription near the clock. Time always moves, but you have control over how you use it. Aryan looked at the watch carefully, realized that all the problems of his life were hidden in this watch. The watch was a symbol of his impatience, uncontrolling desire, and constant running of time. He realized that he would have control over the time only when he would listen to it patiently and wisely. The Sinu voice echoed inside the cave. Time is not something you can grasp, but something you can understand. If you learn to live each moment fully, time will be understand you control. Aryan understood that the real secret of time management is the control of one desire, greed and impatience. He came out and decided that from now toward he will make the best use to every moment and keep his life in balance. Aryan come out of the cave and starting using patience and dedication and managing time in the right direction in his life. All his problems started getting solved slowly. He realized that controlling your thoughts and actions, not time, is real key. The story teaches us that time will always flow, but we have control our mind and desire to make good use it. The secret of time management is hidden within us, and when we recognize it, we can successful in every area in our life. Guys, if you really like my video, my story, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also to find more motivation story notification like this.